Good afternoon, team. All right, couple things I wanted to let you guys know. First off, I am back on park permanently. I'll show my face. I am back on park permanently now as the general manager for the site. So it's a position I didn't take lightly because it moved me out of the position I really enjoyed and put me back into the parks full-time, which is okay. And you know, it's something I aspired to be. It just happened a lot quicker than I was expecting, but nonetheless, I'm happy where I'm at. Team's happy, we're ready to go. So let's take a look at what we've got going on. All right, so you can see the laydown yard. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna go and see all the slides, but this is part of the mini tornado. Hey, got a drone in there. I don't know who's flying the drone. I don't know who's flying the drone, but so this is part of the tornado, and you can actually start to see the shape. That part right there is the outside part that we're gonna see. If you know, you see a classic tornado, they have the hole on one side. Okay, so this is a kids tornado, KIDZ by ProSlide. Okay, here's the entry tub on it, or the entry section. The tub is actually already up in the park, so we'll go check that out in a minute. I got to get a hard hat. This is the mini wave, so this is like this is the ProSlide's version of like a boomerango. Okay, oh man, it's teeter-tottering, trying to keep it where it's not. Okay, there we go. Check out these saddles. This is pretty cool. So these saddles are made for these slides. It's pretty neat. Check out this path too. Yeah, let's go on the other side. All right, so we're talking about how slides are put together. You can see these are all pre-drilled, right? And what they'll do is they'll come in, they've sanded it here. They're just sanding both sides. The other side of the flange that's going, you know, so we have two parts of the flange right here, right? They're bolted together, but what they did, they sanded it hard here, so we get better mechanical adhesion when we put that caulking down. Now the caulking we are using here is gonna be Sikaflex 1A, which is okay for installation. I like to use 3M 4200 for our applications when it comes to refitting joints. So here's the little racer slide. Yeah, I love the colors. They match our mat racer already. That was the goal. And there's the exit tub for it. Here's the exit tub for, I believe, the that'll be the little darn it, what's it called? It's really long. That's for the mini wave. So that's for the mini wave. And then this is a little mini toilet bowl. It's a lot smaller than I was expecting, in a good way. I thought it was going to be massive, but no, it's pretty cool. I really like it. Okay, these are going to be little racers, and what we did was we made the glass completely transparent for both of them. So that's it's semi-transparent. Good afternoon. Yeah, so you can see, let me see. That was kind of hard to see, but when you have lights behind it, you'll be able to check it all out. And then this is just this is like a family slide kind of thing. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Very cool. All right, well, let's get inside the site. I'm gonna grab my helmet, but we'll get in the site and see how it looks inside the park. All right, well, they decided to fly the glass a little bit quicker than I was expecting, so we're getting to see some glass flying. We're gonna have to make an adjustment on this slide in order for it to fit, so they're gonna get out of the way so it's not in a dangerous situation.
You can see the whole thing?
You can see it's looking really good.
I need a bird. Move right up that way. Back move. Right this way.
All right, so you see these little tie-ins right here? We're gonna have a curb here for the little bit of a landscape we're gonna have. Slide's looking good though. Looking really good. he's gonna have to, he has to maneuver because we've got the main drains right here. He's just having to maneuver especially not to run over them. All right, let's get in the pump house. Let's check it out. All right, real quick, this is the AccuTab system. That'll be for this. You see it's got a good little size unit here. It's about the same size that we have for our current belly washer here that we have at the park. Oh, I like that. Look at that. It's got a little filter on it. That's perfect. And nice bright bowl there. I think we're gonna look at starting to change those up to stainless steel. Okay, and then this one is what's called an acid right. So instead of liquid acid, we're using a puck that turns into a solution inside here. It's a low pH product, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna learn a lot from this. See, it says acid right. Yeah, this is a AR450. Okay. What else? All right, you can see it looks pretty good in here. Now, one thing we were afraid of was this was going to be really tight. Unfortunately, good for us, it didn't actually turn out tight. 3 motors here. The knife switches are going to be here. We're going to have the electrical come out this way, right? See, the filter's tied in. Oh yeah, got plenty of room over here. So we're talking about putting the air compressor right here. Water feed here. AccuTab system will go here. Acid right here. Acid right. Look how big this building is. Looking real good. Okay. We've got a soft starter, VFD. They'll be dropping in power in the next couple days. They're actually doing the pull right now, the mainline pull right here. So, looking good. What's up? All right, here's another shot of the pump house or the surge pit. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, big, dude. Yeah, so they cut a corner out of the edge of the concrete. Not a big deal. That's for this piece right here. So they said, screw it. We're gonna go and get more glass. So they're going outside the fence to pick up more fiberglass so they can bring it and hang it. And you see this slide is completely connected all the way through. So is that little bowl slide. The little octopus slides are almost done all the way. The start tubs for those 2 are complete, if I'm not mistaken. So it's looking pretty cool, man. Looking pretty cool. All right, team, we'll check in on the next one. Hopefully we get some more done. I'm actually going on vacation, so I'll see you in a week. I'm trying to, check this out. I'm going on a cruise. Anybody got contacts with Carnival Cruise, trying to get into the pump house for the little water park on Carnival Vista. So if anybody knows anybody, hook me up. It'd be cool if we can get into the pump house. I'll pay. Just want to get into the pump house. It'd be cool. Anyway, check you later.